Sustainable harvesting of lotus for food and medicine is one of those rare practices that combines environmental mindfulness, culinary curiosity, and a subtle sense of reverence for nature, all while delivering nutritious and healing foods. Lotus is a plant that's more than just visually serene. It's an ecological multitasker. Its roots anchor sediment in ponds, its leaves shade and cool water, and its flowers attract pollinators, all while providing seeds, roots, and leaves that humans can eat or use medicinally. The challenge is harvesting this aquatic wonder in ways that preserve the plant, its habitat, and the surrounding ecosystem so that future generations can enjoy both the beauty and benefits of lotus. Let's begin with the seeds, which are often considered the crown jewels of the lotus. Lotus seeds can be harvested when they reach maturity, typically when the seed pod turns a golden brown and the seeds are firm. Sustainable harvesting involves careful timing. Too early and the seeds aren't fully developed. Too late and the pod starts dispersing seeds naturally, reducing future regeneration. Traditionally, harvesters gently cut the pods above water, leaving the plant intact. This allows the remaining seeds to mature and disperse naturally, maintaining the population and avoiding overharvesting. Imagine a lotus seed pod like a treasure chest. Harvest it thoughtfully, and you get the bounty while letting the rest continue to thrive. In addition, leaving some seeds in the pond ensures the next generation of lotus plants, so the ecosystem remains balanced and resilient. It's a little like picking apples from a tree, but leaving enough for the birds, the bees, and the next harvest season. Lotus roots present a slightly more complex challenge because they are embedded in the sediment at the bottom of ponds and wetlands. Sustainable root harvesting involves selective digging, removing only mature roots while leaving smaller or regenerating portions intact. This careful approach prevents damage to the root network, which is crucial for maintaining water quality and preventing erosion. By only harvesting a portion of the roots, the plant continues to thrive and reproduce, while aquatic life that depends on the root structure, fish, amphibians, and microorganisms, remains undisturbed. Harvesting lotus roots is a delicate dance. Too aggressive, and you disturb the pond ecosystem. Too timid, and you might not get enough roots for culinary or medicinal use. Done right, it's a win-win. Humans get nutritious, crunchy roots for soups, stir-fries, and stews, while the pond remains a thriving, balanced habitat. Lotus leaves, widely used in teas, wraps, and traditional medicine, also require careful handling to maintain sustainability. Harvesters typically select only mature leaves and avoid stripping entire plants. This ensures that the plant can continue photosynthesizing, producing energy for both growth and reproduction. Overharvesting leaves can stress the plant, reduce seed production, and even impact the pond's microclimate. By rotating leaf harvesting, taking from different plants or different areas of the pond, harvesters support long-term productivity. Leaves can also be harvested in ways that allow them to regrow, similar to pruning in terrestrial plants. The result is a renewable cycle. Humans gain aromatic, medicinal leaves, while the lotus continues to thrive and provide ecological benefits. Sustainable lotus harvesting is also about respecting timing and seasonality. Flowers, seeds, roots, and leaves each have their own ideal harvest windows, and sticking to these natural cycles ensures maximum nutrition and efficacy. Harvesting too early or out of season can compromise flavor, texture, and medicinal potency, while also stressing the plants. Observant harvesters pay attention to environmental cues, water levels, leaf coloration, pod development, treating the lotus not as a commodity to be exploited, but as a partner in cultivation. It's a philosophy that combines mindfulness, science, and a touch of humility. After all, lotus has been thriving in ponds for thousands of years without human intervention, so it knows a thing or two about sustainability. Beyond harvesting techniques, sustainable lotus production also involves considering the broader ecosystem. Lotus ponds provide habitats for birds, insects, and fish, and their roots help stabilize sediment while maintaining water quality. Responsible harvesters avoid chemical fertilizers, pesticides, or disruptive machinery that can harm aquatic life. They also ensure that harvest methods, whether by hand or using small tools, cause minimal disturbance to the pond bottom. It's like conducting a symphony in a delicate aquatic orchestra. Each action must harmonize with the environment to maintain ecological balance while reaping the bounty. Another key aspect of sustainability is post-harvest processing and storage. Lotus seeds, roots, and leaves should be handled carefully to avoid spoilage and waste. Seeds can be dried for storage, roots can be lightly cleaned and refrigerated or frozen, and leaves can be dried or infused into teas. Every step is an opportunity to respect the plant's life and maximize its benefits while minimizing unnecessary waste. After all, a sustainably harvested lotus that is poorly stored is like a beautiful gift left in the rain. It loses some of its magic. Finally, sustainable lotus harvesting has social and economic dimensions. Many communities across Asia rely on lotus cultivation for livelihoods, from small-scale farmers to artisanal herbalists. Practicing sustainable harvesting ensures that local economies remain vibrant while protecting cultural traditions associated with lotus-based foods and medicine. By combining traditional knowledge with modern ecological awareness, lotus harvesters create a model of food and medicine production that is both ethical and ecologically responsible. In short, sustainable harvesting of lotus for food and medicine is a practice that requires patience, knowledge, and respect. Careful selection of seeds, roots, and leaves, attention to seasonal cycles, gentle techniques, and mindfulness of the pond ecosystem all contribute to preserving the plant's ecological role while providing humans with nutrition and wellness benefits. Lotus is not just a source of food or medicine, it's a living partner in aquatic ecosystems, and treating it with care ensures that future generations can enjoy its beauty, flavor, and health-promoting properties. By harvesting thoughtfully, we let lotus continue its centuries-long tradition of nourishing bodies, minds, and ecosystems alike, turning every meal and cup of tea into an act of environmental respect and culinary delight.